Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as one of the most transformative technologies of our time, revolutionizing various industries and functional areas across the globe. In the United States, AI has been at the forefront of innovation, driving efficiency, enhancing decision-making, and enabling new possibilities in ways that were previously unimaginable. The application of AI in functional areas is not just a trend but a powerful force that continues to shape the future of work, business, and daily life. This article explores the vast potential of AI in different functional areas in the U.S., emphasizing the theme "Don't give up" as we navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by this groundbreaking technology. AI in healthcare, revolutionizing patient care. One of the most significant and impactful applications of AI in the United States is in the healthcare sector. AI is transforming patient care, diagnostics, and treatment planning. From AI-powered imaging tools that can detect diseases like cancer at earlier stages to predictive analytics that help in identifying patient risk factors, the potential of AI in healthcare is immense. However, the journey to fully integrate AI into healthcare has not been without challenges. Regulatory hurdles, data privacy concerns, and the need for human oversight in critical decisions have all posed significant obstacles. Yet, the persistence of innovators and healthcare professionals to not give up on AI's promise is leading to remarkable breakthroughs. AI is enabling personalized medicine, reducing medical errors, and improving patient outcomes, proving that the hard work of integrating this technology is well worth the effort. AI in finance, enhancing efficiency and decision-making. The finance industry in the United States has embraced AI to enhance efficiency, mitigate risks, and improve decision-making processes. AI algorithms are now being used to analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify patterns, and predict market trends with a level of accuracy that was previously unattainable. AI-powered trading platforms, fraud detection systems, and personalized financial services are just a few examples of how AI is reshaping finance. Despite initial skepticism and concerns about the potential for AI to disrupt jobs in the sector, the industry has persisted in exploring the benefits of this technology. Financial institutions that have adopted AI are now seeing improved risk management, enhanced customer experiences, and increased profitability, showing that the initial challenges of AI implementation were worth overcoming. AI in manufacturing, driving efficiency and innovation. In the manufacturing sector, AI is driving efficiency, innovation, and the development of new products. AI-powered robots, predictive maintenance systems, and supply chain optimization tools are helping manufacturers in the United States stay competitive in a global market.